Stage 1, setting up the game. First thing you are going to do is you are going to pick a color. There is green, blue, yellow, and red. Once you have chosen a color, you need to set up the game. First pile you will make is the Blitz pile. That is the pile where you're going to take 10 cards and put them on top of each other in a pile. Next, you'll put your post piles down. That will be 3 cards right next to each other, like shown. Now you are going to take the rest of your cards and put them by your other piles, and that pile will be called the wood pile. Now that you are set up, you are ready to play. To start off the game, one person will say 3, 2, 1, go, and then you will start. Anybody who has a 1 in any of their piles that are face up can put them in the middle of
the piles.
The goal of this game is to get as many points as possible. Now there are a couple ways to win and lose points. The first way to get points is to place cards in the middle. Anybody who has a 1 will put it in the center, and then people will put it any other cards that are the same color on top of the 1, but they have to go in a consecutive order, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. If you happen to use a card that is in your pile of 3, you may take a card from your Blitz pile and put it in, to replace the card that you have used. Once you have used all of the cards in your Blitz pile, you have to call Blitz and everybody will stop. Another way to get rid of your Blitz pile is to put a card from your Blitz pile into the post piles, which is one of the 3 cards. You can do this by placing a boy on top of a girl or a girl on top of a boy, like shown. Boys are red and blue, girls are green and yellow. Now, once you've done that, you can open up a spot to put it on in your 3 pile, and you can run out of your Blitz pile, and then you'll call Blitz, and the game stops there. Another way to get cards and points is to use your wood pile. With your wood pile, you take the top. If you have no other options to move your cards in your 3 pile or the top of your Blitz pile, you can take your wood pile and take the top 3 cards and flip them over. You may use that first card on the top and use that to put it in any of your piles that you think will work.
Besides your Blitz.
You can keep doing this 3 at a time until you find something you want to do, and you can do it whenever you want. It is important in this game to keep track of your own cards and the different piles you have. Once someone yells Blitz and the game has ended, you must count all of the cards just in the middle. Once you have collected those cards, you're going to sort them out by the different colors that are on the back. You count up those colors and the ones you've placed and put down, and that's how many points you get. For the Blitz piles, if you have any cards remaining in your Blitz pile, you need to multiply the number of cards you have times -2, and you will get that many points taken away from your score. You keep playing these rounds and you just reset all of your piles and cards until the first person to get 75 points wins. Have fun!